Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Trezor with MetaMask for secure signing, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Trezor device is connected to your computer. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the MetaMask website. If you haven't installed MetaMask yet, download and install the extension from the official site. Once installed, create a new wallet or unlock your existing MetaMask wallet. Now, access your Trezor device and enter your PIN to unlock it. Open the MetaMask extension in your browser. In the MetaMask interface, locate the profile icon at the top right corner. Click on the profile icon and select Connect Hardware Wallet. From the available options, choose Trezor. Select your device and click Connect. You may need to confirm the connection on your Trezor device. Once confirmed, your Trezor accounts will appear in the MetaMask interface. Choose the account you wish to use and click Import. Your Trezor wallet is now authorized with MetaMask for secure signing. To sign transactions, simply select the connected Trezor account from your MetaMask. When you initiate a transaction, a prompt will appear on your Trezor device. Review the transaction details on your Trezor before approving it. After confirming on your Trezor, the transaction will be signed securely and sent. Remember to always securely store your recovery seed for your Trezor. This completes the authorization process between your Trezor device and MetaMask. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.